Hi, this is Petra Shimonishi, and I'm here at the URC booth at CEDIA 2019, and we're talking about URC's new line of architectural in-ceiling speakers. Now, you might be asking, does the world really need another pair of in-ceiling speakers? And the answer is yes, absolutely yes, because these speakers are 4 times more efficient to install than a conventional pair of in-ceiling speakers. In fact, let me show you how easy it is. These are essentially toolless. But I do need both hands, so I'm going to hand the microphone off to Rachel here. And what you see here in the front of the front of the speaker is you see these proprietary locking tabs. So that makes it really super simple to install the speaker without using a screwdriver. But wait, there's more. We also have included removable speaker binding posts. So when you run your speaker wire, you connect it to the binding post first. Then you plug the binding post into the in-ceiling speaker like so, and then mount the in-ceiling speaker in the ceiling by pushing down on the tabs until you hear a secure lock. Secure, easy, and I've now installed an in-ceiling speaker in less than a minute. That's 1 trip up and down a ladder, no hardware required, no screw guns, no nothing, just my bare hands. Oh yeah, I guess you got to terminate the speaker wire. Anyway, for more information, visit universalremote.com or drop by our booth at CEDIA. We're at booth 3001.